Hello and welcome back. My name is Sarah and this is Sarah's Abstract Expressions. If you're new, please subscribe. I'd show you how I do my different fluid art techniques and stuff like that, especially string pulls like I'm doing today. Hit the bell so you don't miss anything. I'm sorry, I'm struggling with my gloves. Today, I'm doing a very long string pull. I'm on a 16 by 20 canvas, and what I mean by really long, I mean this is like 8 foot 4 inches string length anyways. I'm using a bunch of different colors. Here, I'll grab the bottles because I forgot. Oops. This isn't even all of them. I gotta grab more. My hands are all fat. Really hard to put on gloves. Okay. Oh. I almost got it all. I didn't stick them too far because I knew I was going to need them again. Okay. Now the fun part. I'm going to move this canvas out of the way for now. Oh, I see what happened. Huh. Okay. And, oh, I think my cat got me. I'm going to lay this in this dish. I'll show you the colors that I'm using as I'm putting them in because it'll just be easier that way. And then I don't feel so redundant. Oh, this looks a little bit more complicated than it is because the string doesn't want to string. I don't know. I'm hoping this is enough string. I didn't really measure it that well. Oh. There. I'll just leave that out a bit like that. Okay, so first things third. Liquitex Basics in Cadmium Red Deep Hue. That's what this looks like. It's all mixed and pretty. I'm just going to layer the paint on the string so the string saturates with the paint itself. Stick that back in its pile. Next, I'm going to use Grumbacher Alizarin Crimson, and that is this one. See, it's just a little bit milder. Oh, the string fell anyways. Oh well. At least I kind of know where the end is. No, it's in the Alizarin Crimson, so that helps. I'm just gonna take this stick for the Cadmium Red and stick it back in there so it actually goes. There we go. Next, Cadmium Red Light Hue. Looks pretty orange to me, so I'm using this as my orange, if you would. Okay. How I mix all my paints will be in the description below as always. I'm hoping I get all these colors around because there's quite a bit of them. Okay, next. Cadmium Yellow Deep Hue. Also Liquitex. Do some small blobs here. This is Cadmium Yellow Medium Hue, Winsor Newton. I'll layer it down now. I'm not trying to add too much paint because I need to get all the way, well, around. Hopefully the purple will hit the red and then I won't have to think of anything funky to go in between. So, oops, that out. This is Permanent Light Green, also Winsor Newton. You guys are really, really high up for me for a change. It's kind of strange. I'm not used to it. You guys are like way above my head because my tables are shorter now, which is nicer for me. It's easier to work on. But you should see the setup I got going on over here to get my tripod going. It's kind of funny. This is Phthalo Cyanine Green, or just Phthalo Green. It's a lot easier. Phthalo Green, Liquitex Basics. I'm gonna put that next to the light green. I find it has a bit of a bluey tinge to it, so it's a good transition for this, I think. Because now I'm gonna put in the Riotech Ultramarine Blue. I feel like I'm dancing down here. I feel bad. I had to kick my cat out of the bedroom and be like, go away. Go upstairs. Go sit in the sunroom with your dad. So I can do this painting. I guess I could have done some bigger blobs. Oh well. Here is Prussian Blue. This is also a Grumbacher paint. I'm going to get rid of that one there with its friends. Yeah. Grumbacher Prussian Blue. It's just a bit of a deeper blue. You know what? Because it's not all said and done yet, I can add more of this cadmium red up at the front here. I think someone has to make a poopy. I'm sorry. Cats be cats. Good thing I have the door closed. Next is Dioxazine Purple in Liquitex Basics. I don't know if you guys can hear the scratching. That's why I'm like, oh boy. Yep, that's totally my Roman. He's the only one that digs to China like that. And last but not least, Winsor Violet, Winsor & Newton. I love this purple. It's really pretty. It's one of my favorite shades of purple that I have found anyways, and I haven't had to make on my own. It's just a bit of a lighter purple, and I think it's a good thing to end on. Okay. Get in there. There. Cool. Well, that went well. So now I'm gonna let that soak. Honestly, because I gotta put my base down now. Yeah. Can you see? Like I said, you guys are way above my head. Move it up a little bit. There we go. Alrighty then. So the white we dealt with just not too long ago. There's probably chunks in it, and I have no idea where my tweezers are. Oh boy. This is a palette knife I got from Amazon. I'll get affiliate links one day. The reason these cells are popping up in my white paint is because I accidentally added silicone to it one day and was like, no! But so this will be part 1 of 5 of my string pull series that I'm gonna do. I gotta move my microphone. I'm sorry. Don't want to paint it. That could be bad. So, once I get this all leveled out here and my edges covered, I'll tell you more. Sorry, focusing. Kind of. Wow, cat. We're really going to town, whoever it is. I don't want to look, because then they'll try to run in here and I'll be like, no! Because you know, cats and string, it doesn't go. Okay, like I said, this is going to be part 1 of 5 for my string pull, and they're just going to get crazier and crazier as they go on, hopefully. Hopefully they all turn out. I need to wipe my hand quick. I know, I'm wearing gloves, still need to wipe my hands. Alright. I have no idea how this is gonna go. This is my first time trying to do a big string pull like this on my own, considering I'm only like 5'4" and I have 8 feet of string. Okay. This should be fun. I don't know what to do other than like that and like, oh no, don't run your hands down it, Sarah. That was dumb. Oh boy. I got it all. Somehow. Hoo-wee! Did I paint myself? Nope. I gotta wipe up my table a little bit before I actually do paint myself. Be my luck. Whoop! Sorry. Alright. Let that sit for a second. I'm gonna poke it down right there though. And I'm gonna have a swig of coffee since it's down here with me. Alright, let's do an intense string pull. Please don't muddy, please don't muddy. Honestly. And even if it does, I don't think it'll be that bad, but... Oh wow, this is turning out really cool so far. Wow. I'm allowed to be amazed with my own artwork, right? This is so incredible. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna cut another little piece of string and do a small one here just to add to it. I just gotta find my scissors. I kind of threw them on the floor. I got another pair, so it's all good. I threw the other ones on the floor by accident. I don't want to coffee my mug, or paint my coffee mug. What words? Okay. Another pair of scissors bites the dust. Okay. Please, just... I don't know, this might be too long for what I'm trying to do, but who knows? At this rate, I just gotta kind of guide it into the paint and then poke it after. Ouch. Just mucked my head on whatever's on my shelf next to me. Yeah, that's right. Join your brother. There we go. Get in your home. Okay. Just use my fingers. Until I run out of fingers. Essentially. goes the scissors even more. Wow. Oh, that was fun. No, stop dripping. Dang. 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 Word of the day. Dang. Yep, that's what I thought. Way too much string for what I was trying to do. Oh, not the end of the world. We got this. Hello, Zeke. There. Now that's complete. Just stick those in the middle of that. I'll wipe my hands some more. Put down my table again. And now I gotta. Oh, there it is. I was gonna say, I gotta find my torch! Because this looks neat so far. I can't wait to see what's gonna happen with the silicone in the white by accident. Okay. Well. There's that. I'll get you down and show you more in a little bit. This is by far one of my favorite paintings I have ever done. I love how it came out. I love the sills that pop through. A lot of people don't like sills and the string pulls. I'm a weirdo. I love it. I think this looks amazing on so many levels. Excuse my terrible singing. I just can't get over how great this is. Wow. Ha! I'm just as awestruck. It blows my mind what I can create sometimes. Let me know what you think of this one down in the comments below. Like this video if you like how this turned out. Words. Wow. Speaking is not a thing for me right now. Subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your friends to spread the love. And I will see you next time. Bye.